Hey folks, welcome back to our channel, where today we will be discussing some of the best fitness trackers out there. Fitness trackers have come an incredibly long way over the years. No longer are they honored pedometers. Most standard fitness trackers now can track your steps taken, distance traveled, caloric burn, and even your sleeping patterns. They're handy little devices if you need a better look at how active you are throughout the day, and there are lots to choose from. So in today's video, we have selected some of the cream products on the market. Check out the description below for more information and its latest pricing. Get a deeper understanding of your body, your health, and your progress with Fitbit Charge 3. This swim-proof advanced fitness tracker does more than count steps. It tracks 24/7 heart rate, calorie burn, 15+ exercises, goal progress, sleep, and more. Strap on the durable, lightweight Charge 3 and start your next workout without the trouble of going into your phone to configure settings, as this tracker automatically recognizes most exercises. Moreover, you can connect the Fitbit to an Android, iOS, or Windows-based smartphone and use the phone's GPS to log your next run with real-time pace and distance tracking. Once you come home, you can delve into the Fitbit app's intuitive dashboard to see all of the statistics from your last workout. Fitbit isn't just about your activities though, as it offers personalized guidance with Fitbit Today, guided breathing sessions, all-day calorie burn tracking, and much more. The Charge 3 also keeps you up to date with smartphone notifications. It supports downloadable apps, and you can even use it in the pool, as it comes to water resistant at depths up to 50 meters. Tune into your body and tone up with the 40mm vivoactive 4S GPS smartwatch. It presents you with a full-color, customizable digital Garmin Chroma display and built-in technology for all-day fitness and health tracking. The vivoactive 4S Pulse OX sensor and wrist-based heart rate monitor can help gauge how hard you work out if you have a raised heart rate at rest, and how well your body absorbs oxygen throughout the day and while you sleep. The vivoactive 4S has more than 20 preloaded GPS and indoor sports apps, assisting you in tracking your progress in exercises such as walking, running, pool swimming, cycling, golf, and more. With the Garmin Connect app, you can even create your own custom workouts. If you want exercise help, the vivoactive 4S has inspired workout demonstrations that display right on the watch face. Learn cardio, strength, yoga, and Pilates workouts, or download even more through Garmin Connect. Observe even more of your health with the Apple Watch Series 6. The Series 6 adds plus oximetry to regulate your blood's oxygen levels in just 15 seconds, as well as to give you your VO2 max score. These indicators can present early warnings of possible respiratory conditions. They are joined by a visual heart rate monitor and the capability to record your own ECG. The Series 6 can even detect and help you with healthy habits, such as hand washing detection, which displays a 20-second animated countdown as you scrub. Fitness is a huge part of staying healthy, and the Apple Watch has a variety of techniques to assist you in attaining your goals. Activity rings display 3 rings that match to movement, exercise, and standing. Stay mobile throughout the day to hit new personal bests as you close the rings. You can also decide from a variety of workouts, such as jogging, swimming, cycling, yoga, and more, with the watch recording and tracking their particular metrics. Whether indoors or outdoors, the Series 6 can guide you through GPS and even give continuous elevation updates on screen. More than just a tracker, the Galaxy Watch Active 2 Bluetooth smartwatch of Samsung is a motivator, coach, and companion. It's intended to give you insight and data on how well you complete your exercise of choice, your heart rate, stress, and other characters of your health and fitness. The Active 2 also tracks your movement to start gathering data on your particular exercise automatically. This smartwatch supports 7 workout types, including running and swimming. If you prefer to run, the running coach function can provide you with advice in real time. General health is monitored in various ways, from a sophisticated wrist-based heart monitor with 8 full photodiodes to relax and stress tracking. The Galaxy Watch Active 2 can manage indoor and outdoor activities, even in rough situations. It's IP68 rated with water resistance up to 50 meters and has been created with military-grade durability. Open a world of possibilities with Fitbit Versa Lite Edition, the versatile everyday smartwatch. With all the core fitness and smart features, vibrant colors, and an easy one-button design, this watch will inspire you to live boldly and make your goals a reality. Keeping tabs on your fitness and health situations and goals, bringing you up to date with notifications and notes, and doing it all while you're up and asleep. All of the sensors, features, and abilities of the Versa Lite Edition is packed into a small, slim, and lightweight anodized aluminum body. You interface with the Versa through its single-button design and touchscreen, which stars up to 1000 nits of brightness and durable Corning Gorilla Glass 3 material. When it comes to fitness and health, the Versa Lite Edition operates in conjunction with your smartphone to give real-time pace and distance while supporting over 15 different kinds of workouts. You can even utilize it in the pool recognition to its 50 meters of water resistance. The Versa Lite Edition can also track basic activity stats like steps, active minutes, and calories burned. Whether active or not, your health is monitored through continuous pure pulse heart rate monitoring and sleep tracking. Awake or asleep, the Charge 4 Health and Fitness Tracker of Fitbit is intended to give you all-day health and fitness tracking. Highlighting built-in GPS, Charge 4 allows you to see your pace and distance when exercising outside, along with a map of your exercise. It tracks runs, rides, and hikes, but Charge 4 is competent of much more than that. Over 20 goal-based exercise modes are at your fingertips. Just go into an exercise mode during a workout, set a goal, and then see the real-time process on a screen. Operating hand-in-hand with your fitness tracking is the built-in 24/7 heart rate monitor, which can track calorie burn and allow you to know when you're in personalized heart rate zones. Based on your age and resting heart rate, it can show you when you're in the fat-burning, cardio, or peak heart rate zones. Even when you're asleep, the Fitbit Charge 4 is working. It can track your time in light, deep, and REM stages to present you with a nightly sleep score. Outside of optimizing health and fitness, Charge 4 has practical benefits throughout the day, such as delivering smartphone alerts and notifications, playing music through Spotify, or paying for items with Fitbit Pay. Thanks for watching. Take a moment to hit the like button and share this video. To get notified on all our new video uploads in the future, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.